Okay, so a little bit of context in this video. I am currently editing. I went in October to Ireland for some of my best friend's wedding. They got married in Ireland, and so I took a trip from Japan. And, I wanted to spend as much time with my friends that I hadn't gotten to see since I left California and I knew I wouldn't see for a while. So I only filmed a little bit of the things that we did. But for this video and probably the next video, I will just kind of do a footage dump of whatever was happening on that day. I'll do a little bit of editing, some cutting out of things, but for the most part, it's just going to be raw footage. And yeah, I'll probably do another intro for the next one as well, just so that, in case people didn't see this video. But yeah, these are more for me than for anybody else. So this one is a tour of the Guinness factory in Dublin. So I hope you enjoy.
Yeah, that's the bar, the gravity bar.
Oh,
here.
That's cool. Oh, that's crazy. What the fuck?
There's the microphone.
It's so right.
Yeah.
What is that? You're at 20. Oh, it's a camera? Oh.
No, they're
What the
15.
fuck? What?
So you gotta wait another 15.
That's incredible.
I have a bunch of footage from Japan.
I'll subscribe like that.
You would
made a day in the life.
A day. Would you call me?
We said we love your little camera.
Sick. Would you bust that out at the wedding too?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Oh, they grow the wheat right here. How convenient.
Oh my god, that's sick.
Oh, the primal urge to stand under that.
I know, right? I just want to stick my hand in it.
Bro, I bet that's like the most refreshing feeling ever.
I like how they were talking about saving water and they're just pouring water all over the floor.
Oh my god, can you believe it?
Oh, that's cool. Sick. What's on the other side too? Oh shit, it's a whole thing.
Oh, whoa. I got it. Wow. Oh, that's ridiculous.
Oh shit. Water.
Yeah, She is that girl again. Yeah, girl.
Here's the yeast whisperer. Did you see him?
Scientists pointed yeast library on this same yeast strain. Research reveals students in the Guinness of unknown origin.
Here at St. James's Gate, we've been working with Irish pottery farmers and maltsters for generations. Over the years, we've perfected James's Gate. We've been working with Irish pottery farmers and maltsters for generations. Over the years, we perfected the art of roasting at St. James's Gate.
We're gonna go to Guinness and we're gonna go.
Roast exactly 232
I feel like fermentation, guys. That's us. We're fermentation. We're getting all seasoned and
You're good.
yeasty. Oh, it's here. I'm just like looking at your feet. We're so I said I'm so I know you know what you're right. I mean, mine is like really good. Right out to the side.
Wow, this really gives roller coaster vibes. I want to be on a roller coaster.
I feel like I'm in a line.
Nitrogen.
Oh wow.
On the camera, it doesn't look like bubbles.
Looks like Star Wars.
Yeah.
The head height of craft Guinness should be between 12 and 18 milliliters. Brewhouse 4 is one of the most technological.
It just keeps going. We have like 5 more floors.
Jesus Christ. How can there be so much? How much do they have to really say?
Oh, there's food here?
Oh, hell.
Oh, it's just like coffee. Coffee with Guinness. Okay, that's as far in there as I need to go. A duck.
We need to get a.
I think. A duck.
No, it's a toucan.
No, it's not. That's
Okay,
not a
fine.
fucking.
Well, they're guys. They're guys. toucans. Yeah, these have like a couple of 5 stars, and I was like, perfect. So I just put on nice thick socks for Mr. Island. It's called Look at this. Oh, there's so much.
Yeah. They have Guinness smoke that you can smell. Oh man, it smells like Guinness.
So folks, keep making your way into the room away from those
This light
doors
is
so
tripping out my
everybody can
camera.
join us.
We're in Charlie and the Chocolate Factory.
I know, it's weird.
Don't turn into a blueberry. Put your hand in it. That's probably where people are spitting stuff out.
Oh.
Stimulate and enhance your senses for a more enjoyable experience. So as I said, we have our 4 aroma pods around the room. Each one has a different scent associated with Guinness. Starting with this first one over here, that is our malted barley.
A bit about this room. So as you can see, it is very different compared to the white room. This is actually called the Velvet Chamber, and it's designed to be like a room that would have been Arthur Guinness's own home. So right here, I'm actually standing in an exact replica of the doorway of 1 Thomas Street. This is where Arthur Guinness lived when he first moved to Dublin to begin brewing right here in St James Estate. Also, if you have a look around the room, you'll notice the portraits. These are all portraits of very important people in the history of Guinness. And right there at the back of the room, we have a portrait of the most important man, Arthur Guinness himself. Now, as my colleague would have told you, I'm going to be teaching you a professional tasting technique.
It's an awesome.
Those are yours? Okay, so.
Cinema room. Cinema room. Dang, this is a long beginning.
Yeah.
Holy shit.
If they let us just put like whatever picture on it, I'm gonna try to put like a nude of Sophia.
Well, I feel like they're not gonna let you do that.
Well, I'll try. Drink Sophia's tits.
How did they make that?
They just took a picture of us there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Here's Sophia showing the video of the printing.
Yeah, because I really. Yeah. they have to take that. And I like.
This is pretty cool, actually. Oh, they have grass on their roof. That's nice.
Guinness. That's the best reason to be like in Ireland, right?
It's more green up there.
For the horses, you mean? I think they like it. Yeah, that's what they're for. That'd be sick. That'd be so sick.
Big break one.
There's some monks. The Book of Kells experience. That's where we're going. What's the name of this university?
Trinity College.
This is a cool college.
Yeah. Even though I don't want to go back to school in person, I'd probably just do it online. Yeah, I would just walk, you know?
Sort of, right? Right?
Yeah. It's like right over there.
It's this building, isn't it?
Oh, is it? I
Pretty
don't know.
sure.
I've never been here.
Yeah. Very European.
Is it so pretty?
I feel like schools like this is like more. It feels academic.
Yeah.
Like I could study better here. But Berkeley is kind of like this. It's very old feeling. It doesn't have this cobblestone though. But the buildings are like this. Have you been on Berkeley's campus?
Of course I have.
The buildings are pretty old.
Yeah.
It's the first
but
college.
not-
It's the first college in the West.
Yeah, but it's not as architectural like this. This is.
I mean, it's pretty similar. It just doesn't look as old.
I'd be like, wow.